My name is Ed from Pre-Flight Drone. Today I'm heading out to Interstate 95, which of course, if you live on the East Coast, you know 95 runs from Florida all the way up through Maine. I'm heading out north of Fayetteville, North Carolina, to the start of the Fayetteville I-295 Outer Loop, where this highway begins at Interstate 95. So I plan on doing my usual, a 360 loop around that interchange. I'll also have the drone do a few passes across that intersection to take a look. I'll also see if I can get up Interstate 95 as far as the drone will let me, to get some video of some of the construction that's going on with a road widening project that's also going on in this area to widen the Interstate I-95. During this time of year, which is right now we are on, let's see, what is today? The 23rd of December, 2 days out from Christmas. It's on a Monday. So I'm quite sure that portion of the highway is going to be pretty congested. But anyway, stick around. I should be there shortly, and we can take a look at the Fayetteville I-295 Outer Loop Interchange at Interstate 95. The drone is ready to go. So let's get the drone up and see the I-295 Outer Loop 360 at the interstate of I-95 that runs from north to south on the east coast of the United States, from Maine to Florida. And the drone is up. now the drone is crossing over I-95. Right now it's coming around. It's going to cross over the northern side of this interchange over Interstate I-95. overhead right now.